Hello guys, namaste and welcome back again in my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you hot roll, but it's not a tempura roll. It's like a uramaki, but we can make a uramaki hot roll. Yeah, it is very different. It is really different because I'm not using the tempura. I'm gonna use the obus. Okay, I'm gonna use the obus as a tempura. Let's start. I have here the avocado, and I have here salmons, and I have here pineapple. I'll make the uramaki. Let's start. Normally for the uramaki we have to put the 100-gram rice, yeah. But I'm gonna put here 120 gram because it is for the hot roll, not for the uramaki. So this is the cream cheese, yeah. That is pineapple. Now I'm gonna put the avocado, yeah. Now I'll put the salmons. Now I'm gonna roll it, okay. Let's go. Like this. Now I'm gonna make the same as like that one, another one, okay. Okay, my uramaki roll is ready, okay. Now I'm gonna put here egg, okay. I'm gonna mix it, yeah, very well. Now I have here the breadcrumb, yeah. I'll put this roll in the with the breadcrumb. I'll make the very good crunchy roll, okay. I'm gonna do another one, so same as like that one. Finally, my crunchy roll is ready. Especially this is for the fusion sushi. It's normally in Europe and America that kind of sushi roll. Lots of people like this, and it will be a fluffy and it will be a very crunchy and it will be a little bit hot, so it will be a very good. Okay, let's make the fry. I'm gonna fry these ones. Okay, temperature should be less than 175 degrees Celsius. Let's go. It's going good, yeah. It's a crunchy and it will be a fluffy. It will be a little bit hot, and it is very good with sweet chili. I have the sweet chili here. I'll show you. That kind of sweet chili is very good with hot roll. So it will be a very delicious and mouth-watering. Okay, let's see. Finally, my crunchy roll is ready. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. Then I'm gonna make the plating. Okay, let's see. Finally, my crunchy roll is ready. It looks like very delicious, yeah. Nice. I'm gonna put here a little bit sweet chili and teriyaki. Okay, let's see. That is the teriyaki and sweet soda. Okay, let's put. And that is the sweet chili, yeah. I'm gonna put the little bit sweet chili also. Nice. Look like it's very good. And the topping, I can put little bit spring onion. I have this spring onion. Let's see. And also I have the here al francis, yeah, onion leeks. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Now my hot roll is finally it's done. Yeah, it's very good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay calm. Thank you.